Hello, my name is Marcel, and this is a cereal soap making video. First, I prepared the cereal embeds with the MP soap. I sprayed the mold with the alcohol, then I poured the soap into the mold. And because the mold was so small, I had to use the transfer pipette to get the clean cheap cereals. This is a very realistic cereal mold. It's a perfect replica of Froot Loops. I've seen some soaps and candles with these colorful cereal decorations, so I thought, why don't I try this? Honestly, I don't think I have tried these cereals before because I usually have some cornflakes and oatmeals when I have this kind of meal. But after making this, I have craving for some Froot Loops. After making the ampy soap embeds, I started making the base soap. The base soap does not need a special ingredient or colors. I only want it to be white. But as always, I added some sodium lactate. Sodium lactate helps soaps firm better and last longer when using the soap. Since the base soap mold was small, I made a small batch of the soap, and when you make a small batch of the soap, don't blend too much with the stick blender. It accelerates faster than the large batch. After using the stick blender for a short period of time, I mostly mixed the soap by hand. It really took a short time to get the trace I wanted. Now I'm ready to design the soap. This is such a satisfying moment, so I didn't really edit the video. I tried to make exactly the same colors as the actual product. Interestingly, I live in Korea, and there are no purple and blue colors in the Korean version. Also, we call it fruit rings. I mean, that makes sense too, right? This was fun and relatively easy to make this soap compared to other soaps that I have made before. I liked the colors and shape of the cereals, and it really looked like they are in the milk and ready to be served. If you can get the cereal mold, it will be the best. But even if you can't find one in your area, I think you can make these cereals with the soap dough easily. So I recommend trying this. Thank you for watching and hope you have a great day. I'll bring another great video next time. Bye.